welcome back to my channel, to Ishik Shine's World. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and press the bell. So, right now while watching TV, we're going to play cube objects. So let's start. We first, I think, go here, and then I have to turn. See. Oh my god, guys, I find it! Boom! Really easy! I didn't think really like that. So yeah. Now, yeah, I'm really happy, guys. Tell me in the comments if I did it really easy or not.
And, just like Norton said, Andy got no answers. The following April, Andy did tax returns for half the guards at Shawshank.
She's trying her
Year after that,
best
he did them all,
to fix everything,
including
the colors.
Year after that, they rescheduled the start of the intramural season to coincide with tax season. Hell, we could have been tarring the roof
Guys,
of one of our own
now
houses.
it's almost done.
We were the lords of all
Look,
creation.
only one left.
As for Andy,
This is red, but from here it looks like orange, but it's not.
a strange little
It's
smile
red.
on his face.
The orange is
Watching
this,
his face is weird.
but red is this. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching.